In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram story bad quality after uploading. You may have noticed that after you upload your story on Instagram, the quality becomes certainly bad. This could be caused because there is some kind of issue in the system of Instagram. So in order to fix it, firstly you can try to update the app of Instagram. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and search for Instagram. Now if there is an update, make sure you tap on update and update your app. The second thing you can do is you can clear the cache and data of your Instagram. To do that, you can tap and hold the app of Instagram and tap on app info. If you're using an iOS, you can offload the app from the settings. Now you can tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Again tap on clear data and clear all the data. This removes all the temporary and unwanted files stored on Instagram. Now from here, the other thing that you can do is, if you're using mobile data, you can tap on restrict data uses and make sure that your SIM is selected. The last thing you can do is, you need to open up the app of Instagram and tap on the three lines on top and tap on settings, tap on account and scroll down and tap on mobile data uses. Now if this option is turned on yours, then make sure you turn this off, because this option uses less data, which may be causing the problem. So those were the steps that you can take in order to fix the Instagram bad quality after uploading. If this video fixed your problem, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.